And they come outside. Welcome back. Fast, easy and perfect for beginners. Today we are learning Riptide. Subscribe to the channel, grab your guitar and let's do this. Strumming pattern. Here's strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay. Down, down, up, down, up. 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 Okay, A minor, G major, G major, C major, A minor, G major, C major. Let's play it together now. All my friends are touring. pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. A minor, G major, C major, A minor, G major, C major. Lady running up to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. Thanks for watching. See you.